Patrick Miller, 175. Beehive, 25, All-Star. Don't reach in for those. There you go. Put that heads down, take advantage. Snap that hip over. Hey, if you wrist, pop the hip as you go around. Go across. Catch him, catch him. Stay on the hip, Patrick. Stay on the hip, work. Wrist. Drive over. Treetop. Don't let go of that. Movement, motion. Yep. Hey, crank that. Get up on your feet. Get on your feet. Patrick, on your feet. On your feet, yeah.
That sucks. We were in good position there.
Yeah, I know.
Why didn't you crank it?
I don't know.
You care if
I mean, he started to go behind the
You
kid.
didn't care if I talked to him and turned around?
No.
Pat, when you go V-trap, crank it. Hey, you gotta get your hips back.
Yeah, he was in front of the
Pat,
kid.
you gotta get your hips back when you go V-trap.
On your feet and pressure it.
Stay on your toes. Don't let him get better position grabbing a leg there.
Yeah, I don't know why he turned beside him. Yep, that's a good reversal. Stay over that hip here, Patrick. Wrist. Heavy on his hip here.
How come he's not going legs?
I don't know.
You worried about leg raising? They didn't call walking on him. They got close to calling walking.
Yeah. I don't like how he looks like he's out of energy already. Patrick.
That other kid looks tired too.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Lock him in.
Power half, Pat. Power half.
Ski! Do not let that hip come up!
Ski, Pat.
He's in a great position. You let him come up. He's holding on to his arm down there. You can't fall off of that. He let the kid just hold his arm down and pull him
We
over.
got to get 1 or 2 by the end of the round.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's switch.
I mean, he was in great position when he put that leg in. All he had to do was come across that throat. But he goes high, lets him keep his arm. Now he's got to weather the storm.
He's got to go switch fast.
Yeah.
We need 2 points.
Pat.
Hey!
Pat, you need to score in this 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds. Go. Get 1 at least. Back up and get 1 at least. Back up and get 1. Pat, you gotta go. Stand to your feet. Get your feet.
Thumb!
Get your feet.
Thumb the hip! Thumb hip!
Come on, Pat. Get
Thumb
to
in
your
the
feet.
hip!
Get to your feet,
Up
Pat.
on your feet! Jump up!
Hey, you got 14
Push
seconds.
off! Push off!
Whizzer hard. Whizzer hard. Get to your feet, Pat. You got 5 seconds. We're all right. Hey, if you're legs go in, you got to flatten him down. Hey, better pressure, better pressure.
You can't wait.
Better pressure, Pat.
Isn't Fremont one of the schools that split? Didn't they become
Westfield?
Yeah.
Westfield's their 4A version, and I think they're still like 5A or something.
Man, I don't know how you gave that up. Terrible position. He's sitting down on his butt over the hip instead of being on his feet.
Pat, you got to get to your feet, buddy. Knees under you. Bring those knees up under you. Come on, Pat. A little bit more. Let's go. We need some energy out of it. Bring those knees up under you. Bring those knees up under you.
Get a 4.
Yeah, but that's fine as long as he doesn't overlock it.
Yeah. You gotta find something here. You gotta reset him here.
Come on, Pat. Go, Pat, go. You got 45. Gotta go.
I don't know why he didn't just sit out and pull that arm out.
Go, Pat.
Yeah, I think so.
Please try to stay out of the middle aisle. Try to keep that for coaches and wrestlers. If you're in the middle aisle, please kneel down so the fans can see in the stand.
Yeah. Patrick gave up several good positions. I don't know why. Yeah. 2 times. That time he had the leg over here and got too high. Then when he was riding the kid, sitting down on his butt instead of being over his hip.